Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Gary here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. Most people that get My Lead Gen Secrets usually get multiple accounts, like 5 accounts, 7 accounts, even 10 accounts on scene sometimes. But we only using one account because I want to just show y'all the beginner, and like, you're not going to trust something so much to get multiple accounts right away. You're going to need some evidence that it works first. So we only using one account, and I kind of want to show you the type of results I'm getting promoting this particular product on it. All right, guys. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so basically, guys, what I want to do is explain why I like this particular product, the $25 all-in-one digital business product, by the way, created by Home Business Academy. Okay. The reason why I like this particular product is because it's 80% recurring commissions. Now understand something, 80% recurring commissions is unheard of, alright? And the cool thing about the Home Business Academy overall is that every single product is 80% recurring commissions if you get a sale. That's where now they might not be recurring, but you can still get sales on very high products. All right, guys. So I'm gonna say it again. You know, this is a way to really make a lot of money. It's the best product to promote. Said this multiple times, and that's the reason why I like promote. All right, guys. So let's look at our results here. See what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna refresh the page to show real results. Don't believe results until you refresh the page. Let's see. Alright guys, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Alright, it's totally fine. I'm still in shock by this $400 sale. Like I stated before, even if products are not recurring commissions, you can still get sales off of a bunch of other products in the system. Like, I'm not even promoting this particular product myself, but I still got a sale on it. You understand? So if you get somebody in the system, they purchase something else, you get 80% recurring income as well. That's a very good incentive to promote this product, man. It's the best one out there, period. It just is. You make a lot of money with it. So anyway, guys, this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna head over to no, I'm gonna show you how to do it first. So I'm gonna show you how to get your affiliate links first. So first off, what you want to do is click on the link below, guys. $25 business. You want to sign in under that, right? You want to click on that link, and once you click on that link, it's gonna take you to this page here. This page here, it pretty much explains the 25 digital business, the 80% recurring income, how you can get $120 off for each person that signs in every month. And like, if you get 2 sales per week doing that, like, you just get 2 people doing that every week, and you can get 100 income and stuff like that. And it's just a really good chance to make a lot of money, guys. A really good chance to make a ton of money. So yeah, so once you get through reading through that, you click on yes, I want in, right? Yes, I want in. What should pop up is another should be another video explaining you perfectly what you're purchasing. All right, and once you watch that video, it's a very short video, you'll be allowed to purchase the product, the $25 business. Okay, once you purchase that, you'll end up on a page like this, a page that looks something like this. All right, with these at the top. It might look different down here, but you're gonna have these at the top. Okay, guys. Once you get to this page here, guys, you want to click on affiliate zone. Click on affiliate zone. Hold up, I gotta log back in. Hold on. Sorry about that. Once you click on affiliate zone, what you want to do is sign up for the affiliate program here, and that's when you do your sign up and everything and all that, right? And eventually you'll end up, then you log into your sound card. Alright guys, you log into your SAM card, and what they'll take you is to this page here. It's the page where you make your money, you see your money you making on, and all that good stuff, and all your affiliate links. Every single one. The one we're particularly promoting is the $25 all-in-one digital business here. Alright guys. This is the one we're promoting. Okay. All right, so you promote that product, then you get that link, and then you sign in to My Lead Gen Secrets. Now your page, make your account very easy to make an account. You just click on it, make an account, blah blah blah. Don't purchase the master email swipes. They're gonna ask you if you need some email swipes, and you can purchase them if you want to. You don't need them. You really don't need them at all. Let me tell you why. Okay, so once you get logged in and all that good stuff, you click on mailing system. Once you click on mailing system, you're probably gonna start with just 100 leads, but it's eventually gonna build up every single day. Don't worry about you only getting 100 leads a day. That's a ton of leads. All right, guys, a day. Don't worry about this number here. This number is not important. How many leads you get. What's important is that you're getting more leads every single day, because you can mail them. They'll eventually grow. Don't worry about that. So once you do that, guys, click on here. You put in an email. Now what I'm gonna do is load up a previous email I done sent already. That's what I'm gonna do. But if you want to copy it, that's totally fine. Just pause the video and copy it. A very short email, blah blah, simple, easy, quick. You know what I mean? But if you want to if you have bought the system, right, you don't have to rely on me to get your emails. You can also get your emails by going here, clicking on the HBM Premium. That should be free once you purchase the product, the $25 business. It should be free for the first 2 weeks. It just teaches you how to get traffic to your offer and start making money with your offer, right? And show you exactly what to pick, what to go through, and how to do it, essentially. But once you do that, guys, you click on the emerging content machine here. Now all you gotta do is say write an email, email. You just get it to write an email about how much money I think it's you could take. Dollar. All in one $25 bid. Now we're gonna pick some adjectives here. Let's write a clickbait, exciting, entertaining, there we go. So we hit that. You can add stuff like that. You can put in whatever you want it to write an email about. And plus, it writes other stuff for you too. It come up with hashtags for your videos and stuff like that. If you need hashtags for your TikToks or Instagram posts or whatever you want to promote on, essentially, right? So we're going to do that and see it say you could be making thousands a month, all with this simple $25 investment. Are you looking for a way to make extra money? Blah, blah, blah. Teach you how to own $25. You can make a ton of money. Blah, blah. Right? And you can use that email in particular and put it in this system here if you want to. It's very simple, guys, and you can just keep doing that. It can make emails for you for free. That's why I say you don't need master email swipes, because it writes emails for you. You don't need them. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to that. You got your link in, all that. Make sure you get perfect timing, send emails around the time people check the emails. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's very simple. Boom. And you're done. That's all it is, guys. So if you're interested in following along and you're interested in doing this in particular, like I stated before, all the links are in the description below. They're very easy, understandable links. Figure out what to do exactly. I labeled them all. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Now I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.